1, 2, 3, come on!
Very good morning to all of you in Sanjit Motivational, my YouTube channel. I will tell you how to face interviews. Yes, it's a very going to be a very good topic discussion. How to face interview. As you all know, that interview is a very important process in finding a suitable candidate for a particular job, and this process is very important, very significant to all the employees, all the employers. When you go to interview, what type of things you should keep in mind, how should you prepare for the interview, that's very significant. I am going to discuss on the same topic, how to face interviews. Look, interview is the process in which the interviewers wish to watch your inner qualities as well as your suitability for doing a special type of job that he wants. Then what are the things you should maintain while you go for interview? This is the important and this is a vital question. It's very important to keep in mind the few things when you go for interview. The first thing, you must have good dress up. If you are good dress up, definitely you are going to attract the interviewers so much. According to suitability of the job, you should keep in mind that what should you have to wear up the dresses. Suppose that you are going to face the interview of a teacher, you must have a formal look, etc. Because your dress up, outer dress up, impresses the interview in the first appearance. Number 2, your style of coming into the room, okay, your way of coming into the room is more significant. First of all, you have to come in the room with asking the question, may I come in, sir or madam? They will definitely allow you, and you have to enter the room, interview room. After that, without any permission, you must not take your seat. This is the important thing. When you take the permission, may I sit here? Definitely they will allow you. Then you have to sit, and after that, what I am going to tell you is more important, that when you come from the outer side to the room, you walk in a disciplined manner, because your interview starts from the entering of the room, because all the panels, all the members of the panels of the interviewers have a very inner watch in your every moment. So it's very important. Number 2, that you must answer all the questions very honestly without hesitating. If you don't know any question, then you have to say, sorry sir, yeah, sorry ma'am, I don't know. But bluffing the interviewers without any reason is very dangerous for you. You must not bluff the interviewers. If you don't know, simply have to say, sorry sir, and in the next question you have to move up. So these 2 or 3 things are very important while you face the interview. The 4 things that is very important, your communication skill. You must heed on this point so much. How is your communication skill? If your communication skill is so strong, if you communicate the panels in a well manner, definitely they will attract with you, and their chances to be selected. So the important thing is that you have to very much excited about it, but you must also control your excitement while you're facing the interview. You have to answer all the questions in a very straightforward manner, okay, and you have to prove that you only are the suitable candidate for the particular job. And why you are only the particular suitable candidate, you have to prove in the interview room, so that your interview will get definitely success. Thank you so much. These are the some points I think you will definitely maintain. This is Sanjit Motivational. I am Sanjit Kumar Sinha, MA Gold Medalist B.Ed, presently working as government teacher, as you all know. And here I had provided some types of tips that will definitely boost your interview power, how to face the interview, that will definitely boost you, will give you a such type of confidence that will definitely work in your interviews, coming interviews. All the best for your coming interviews.